Hi, good morning. I'm here today with another recipe video. I figured I would just show you my breakfast because I've been making this and I really enjoy it. So I'm going to show you how to make a protein matcha peanut butter smoothie. I like to start my day during these most productive hours with a smaller meal, like more so a liquid meal, just so I can drink it a little bit while I'm working. But I do also want to make sure that I'm getting a good amount of nutrients in as well. So this is a perfect thing for that if that's your style too, or you just were looking for something different, or you want to have this alongside your breakfast because it's really nutrient packed, whatever. You can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients and then we'll get started making it. Okay, I'm gonna start with this blender has measuring nooks on it. So I am going to start with the coconut milk. So I put about 1 cup in there. And I use, coconut milk. I prefer the taste, and it's a good way to get like some calcium in the morning. And this is also fortified with B12, vitamin D, vitamin E, all that good stuff. It's a way to like punch out a good chunk of all the vitamins and minerals that you need for the day in one go in the morning. So that's why I really like it. I'm not the best, I don't eat perfect all the time. So this is kind of why I like to do this like this as well. And this is the matcha powder I'm using. I got this from Sprouts. Or you can just get it at your local your local health food store. I'm using a teaspoon of the matcha. So this gives you a nice caffeine boost, lots of antioxidants. It is really good for you. Now I'm adding the protein. This is vanilla, and I'm gonna use 1.5 scoops. This has 18 grams of protein per scoop, and the scoop is like pretty small. So I'm gonna use 1.5, get a nice high protein breakfast. High protein breakfast works really well for me, and I find that it's very satisfying and I'm not like munching and stuff all morning because I got a good high dose of protein. I'm adding some Inulin powder. It will add a bit of fiber to the smoothie. You can also add flax. I don't like flax or chia in my smoothie, so I like the Inulin powder. Next, popping in this tablespoon of peanut butter. I just use 1 tablespoon and it gives a good peanut buttery flavor throughout the smoothie, so this is perfect. Now I'm going to add some greens. This is some frozen spinach. I just added the rest of the bag to it, and it just adds some extra vitamins and minerals, add some veggies in. So, we can always use a little bit more veggies in our diet. And this is a super easy way to do it in the morning. And lastly, I just added some sweetener to this to pump up the sweetness just a little bit. And then we're going to blend. She's done. This may not work. Isn't it such a beautiful color? I don't know if I will be able to. Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's give it a tasty taste. Super good. I love peanut butter though, so if you're into these types of flavors, then you'll really like this. It's not too sweet either. Really nice and smooth, offers a lot of nutrition first thing in the morning. And I just really have been liking doing this. It is also very balanced and incorporates every food group. I mean, not every food group, but you have veggies in there. So like you have some produce, you have some fat, you have some protein. There's a little bit of fiber in there. So I love it. I'm gonna drink this, enjoy it, and then get to work. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what your go-to breakfast is down below, and I'll see you on my next one tomorrow.